Hey, hi all. So today we are going to start with the new playlist of Playwright. So I have created one npm package of Playwright framework. In that framework, I have used the TypeScript language. So in this playlist, we are going to see how you can utilize that npm package framework in your project so that you can start automating your test cases from the day one. Okay, so let's start with the first video of Playwright installation. And so what are the things we need to install first? So first is Node.js. As we are using TypeScript, so Node.js is required. So let's start with the Node.js installation. So we will go to the google.com and here we will select Node.js download. Okay, so select the first link and select Windows installer. Okay, so it will automatically download the exe file as per your machine. Okay, so exe file is downloaded. We will go to the downloads folder and just double click on it to start the installation process. Okay, so just click next button, select I accept, click next, 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 and install. Okay, so installation is completed. Okay, so let's verify whether the installation is happened or not. So we need to type command prompt, okay, or we can type in the search box cmd, okay, and select command prompt. Now here what we need to type, we have to type node space -v. So it will show us which version we have installed. Same way we have to check npm space -v. Okay, so what is npm? Npm is a node package manager. Okay, so it gets installed when you install the node. So let's move to the second installation. So second installation is a VS Code. So VS Code is a IDE used for programming of a TypeScript language. Okay, so it is created by Microsoft. So again we will go to the google.com. Here we will search for VS Code installation. Select first link. So basically VS Code is free software. Okay, they does not charge anything for software. Okay, so select Windows machine. It will download the exe file. Okay, so exe file is downloaded. So we just double click on Visual Studio Code and select run button. Now here we have to select I accept, click on next button, again click on next button, just next button, and I just select create desktop icon here and click next and just install. Okay, so installation is completed. So we just click on the finish button and if you see the window of the Visual Studio Code gets open. Okay, so this is the UI of Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here you can select any folder. Okay, whichever folder you want to open you can select. Okay, so same like command prompt, here also you can open the terminal from where you can enter any of the command. So let's check -v. Okay, so here also you can able to see the version of node as well as npm. Okay, so this is with respect to the installation part of the Playwright. Thank you.